Hi students, welcome to my class. Dear students, in the previous classes we are discussing that the introductions of the quadrilaterals and the polygons. Yes, so three sides of the polygons, what we call the three sides of polygons, four sides of polygons, etc. So like that, so today we are going to discuss the angle sum property of a polygons. Yes, so three sides of polygons we call it as triangle, four sides we call it as quadrilateral, five sides we call it as pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, and octagon, nonagon, and decagon. Like that we have to discuss in the last classes. So today, so what is the angle sum property of a polygons? So we already learned that in the last year classes, the angle sum property of a triangle. In any triangle, the sum of the interior angles in a triangle is become equal to 180 degree. Is it right? So like that. So what is the angle sum property of a quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is also little bit we are discussed in the last classes. I mean last year classes. So that means the angle sum property means of a quadrilateral means 360 degree. So first we already learned that. See, I will draw one of the triangle. So this is one of the triangle. How many angles are there? Three angles. I will get A, B and C. So all three angles are equal to 180 degree. A plus, angle B plus, angle C, it is equal to 180 degree. This is the angle sum property of a triangle. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂರು angles ಅನ್ನು sum ಮಾಡಿ we can get the 180 degree. Any kinds of triangles, smaller triangle, bigger triangle, acute, obtuse, right angle triangle, isosceles triangle, scale, equilateral, any kinds of triangle, the angle sum property of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Like that, quadrilateral, any type of quadrilateral, the sum of the, how many angles in a quadrilateral? 4 angles. Quadrilateral is nothing but 4. Quad means 4. Lateral means side. 4 sides of polygons are called as quadrilateral. So they are having a 4 angles, 4 sides and also a 4 angles. The sum of these 4 angles. So A, B, C, D, one of the quadrilateral. If you add these angles, how much will come? Yes, 360 degree. How it will come? So I will show now. See, I will draw one of the diagonals. Here this angle is 1. ADB is 1. 2. I will choose the number here. 3 and then 4, then 5 and then 6. Okay. So there are 6 angles are formed. When draw the diagonals in one of the quadrilaterals, it becomes 6 angles. And also, if this diagonal DB diagonals is divide the quadrilateral into 2 triangles. The 2 triangles, if you join, it making a quadrilateral. So how can we get the sum of the angles of 4 angles equal to 360 degree? We know that already in the 7th standard already learned it. See how it will come. Very simple, students. So triangle ABD plus E triangle 1 and 2. The 2 triangles are there. This angle sum property and this angle sum property. If you add this, so area of triangle ABD. What is the area of triangle? Sum of the angle ABD. Interior angles of the triangle ABD. How much? So what are they? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. It is equal to 180 degree. So call it as number 1. So this is the triangle ABD. In triangle ABD. In triangle BCD, take as triangle BCD. So in that, angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6. It is equal to 180 degree. Is it right? Call it as number 2. So from 1 and 2, we should add it. Add 1 and 2. Correct. So what is the one in the LHS? This is RHS. You should add to the LHS and the RHS. First angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6. It is equal to 180 plus 180. How much become? 360 degree. Okay. Now, so it become angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D. It is equal to 360 degree. Yes. Angle 1 plus angle 6. 1 plus 6. See. Angle 1 plus angle 6. This one. Yes. Angle 1 plus angle 6. If you add means angle 1 plus angle 6, you should add means you can get the angle D. Angle D. Next. Angle 2 as it is written. Angle 2 is nothing but angle A. Angle 3 and angle 4. If you add these two angles, 3 plus 4, if you add these two angles, we can get the angle B. Okay, plus angle B. Plus angle phi is nothing but angle C. It is equal to 360 degree. Is it right? So I will write in the order wise: angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D. It is equal to 360 degree. This is the angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Angle A ಮತ್ತು angle B, angle C ಮತ್ತು angle D ನ sum ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 360 degree ಬರಬೇಕು ಬಂತು. ಸರಿನಾ? So like this we are already discussed in the last year. But like this you are not learned. So how can you learn the sum of the interior angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. The sum of the interior angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Like that you are learning. But it is a what? Practically I will learn it. Okay. Next. Okay, students. This is the three sides of a polygon. Quadrilateral is the four sides of polygons. Like that, pentagon. 5 sides of polygon. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5 sides is there. See how many angles are become? 5 angles is also become. So in a pentagon, what is the angle sum property? So what is the sum of the interior angle of a pentagon, interior angle of a hexagon, interior angle of the octagon? Can you find the sum of the angle sum property of any polygons? So it is possible, but it can take them more time. So one formula is there. I will give the formula, beautiful formula, that is called as the sum of interior angle of, sum of interior angle of any polygon, it is equal to n minus of 2 into 180 degree. Very simple. Okay, see, so first triangle, three sides of triangles are called as triangle. Let us verify that. So how much degree it is? 180 degree. The angle sum property is 180 degree. Is it right? Yes. How can it become? Very simple. N means number of sides in the polygon. N means number of sides. N for it as number of sides. Number of sides in any polygons. The given polygon. Here, triangle. How many sides in the triangle? N is equal to 3. Okay. Therefore, see, n is equal to 3 minus of 2. This is triangle. 3 minus of 2 into 180. It is equal to 3 minus 2 is nothing but what? 1. So 1 into 180, it becomes what? 180. 180 degree. Is it right? The angle sum property of a triangle is how much become? 180 degree. Like that. Quadrilateral. How much I thought that? 360 degree. Is it? Can you apply this formula? Yes. So quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Yes, quadrilateral. So how many sides in the quadrilateral? 4 sides. Therefore, n is equal to what? 4. So 4 minus 2 into 180. It is equal to 4 into 4 minus of 2. How much become? 2. 2 into 180. So 180 2s are 18 2s are 36. So 360 degree. It is also correct. Like the pentagon. Pentagon. So what is the pentagon? So penta means 5. So number of sides in the pentagon how much? 5. Therefore n is equal to 5. So I have to substitute that. N is equal to 5 minus 2 into 180. It is equal to 5 minus 2 how much? 3 into 180. So 180 into 3, 18 3s are 54. 540 degree. The sum of the interior angle of a pentagon is 540 degree. In a quadrilateral, 360 degree. In a triangle, 180 degree. Like that. Hexagon. Hexagon. How much in the n? The value of n in the hexagon? Number of sides are 6. Therefore, 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 into 180. So, what is the 6 minus 2? It becomes 4. 4 into 180. So 180 into 4, 18 4s are 72. 720 degree in the hexagon, the angle sum property of the sum of the angles in interior angles of a hexagon is 720 degree. Do you understand? So very simple. Whatever they are given the polygons, so find the angles, sum of the angles of the interior angles of the any polygons. You can take this formula easily. We have to find the angles, sum of the angles in any polygons. Do you understand? Like that, hexagon after heptagon, after octagon, nanogon, decagon. In the heptagon, n is equal to 7. 7 minus 2 is become 5. 18. 180 into 5. How much become? 18 5 is 90. 900 degree. Like that, octagon. 8. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. 18 6 is 108. Correct? 1080 degree. So like that, we have to find the angle sum property of the any polygons. It is a very beautiful formula. This formula you have to note this in your notebook. Okay? Yes. Next student. So in the pentagon, hexagon, octagon, we already understood. Okay? So next. Yes. I will come to the exercise 4.1 in this related to the exercise. So in the first, second, third one in your textbook is there, very easy. So very simple questions are there. You can do it. You can do it in your home. Okay. So like what are the questions? So identify the regular polygon, irregular polygon. So which is the convex polygon and concave polygons? You already had told in the previous classes. Like that questions are there. You have to solve it. So I will go to the question number 4. See, what can you say about the angles of a convex polygon with the number of sides? Now only I show now. So another time I will show now. See, 7 sides of the polygon. What we call the 7 sides of the polygons? Yes, that is called as heptagon. Yes. So 7 sides. First one. Fourth one. First one. 7 sides are there. So in the 7 sides of polygons, what we call as heptagon. Heptagon. So we have to calculate the angle sum of the heptagon. Yes. So in that we know that already formula n minus of 2 into 180 degree. Okay. See, n means what? N is equal to 7. Okay. So therefore 7 minus of 2 into 180 degree. Therefore 7 minus of 2 become 5. 5 into 180. 18 5 is how much? 90. This 0 as it is written. Therefore 900 degree of 7 side of the polygon. The sum of the angles of the 7 side of the polygons is called as, is equal to how much degree? 900 degree. 7 side of polygons we call it as heptagon or septagon. Like that 8th one. 8th. What we call the 8th? Octagon. Octagons means the number of sides are 8. The angle sum of the octagon. So n is equal to 8 here. Second one, 8th side. What we call? Octagon. Octagon. Okay. So the angle sum property. What is that? Same formula. N minus 2 into 180. One more time I have to put the formula. Here n is equal to how much? 8. So 8 minus of 2, it is equal into 180. So 8 minus of 2 is nothing but 6. 6 into 180. 18 6 are 108 is equal to into 0. So therefore 1080 degree. How much degree? 1080 degree. So like that students, 10th side of the polygons we call it as decagons. N is equal to 10. We should do the 10. 10 minus of 2 is equal to 8. So 18 8s are 144. So 18 8s are 144 means 1440 degree. So in that decagon, the angle sum of a decagon is equal to 1440 degrees coming. So you have to solve in your home. 10th one. Like that n. N means this is the formula. This one you have to write it. N minus 2 into 180 degree. Like that only. You have to write it. Okay. So next student, I will come to the 5th main is there. 5th main is also same. So what is the 3 sides of polygon? What is the 4 sides of polygons? What is the 7 sides of polygon? Like that only questions is there. You have to solve it. Okay. Next, I will come to the 6th main. What is 6th main? Find the angles measures x in the given figure. See students, they are given in the some questions, some figure are there given. In that we have to calculate the value of x in the given figure. So first of all, so in the given figure, which polygons? So it having a 4 sides. First one I will take it as it having a 4 sides. Therefore it is a quadrilateral. Second one is 1, 2, 3, 4. It is also quadrilateral. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides is there. But in the 5 sides, what we call? In the 5 sides, pentagon. See students, one more I will tell now. Before going that, see in the triangle, I will give the triangle. The all sides, if the all sides are equal, and also each angles must be equal. So how many each angles? So angles, 3 angles. So x, x, x. Okay. So 3x. How much is degree? 180 degree. For each angle, how much? We have to divide the sum of the angles divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 6 are therefore 60 degree. Therefore each angle is become 60 degree in a regular triangle. Regular triangle is nothing but all sides are equal and all angles must be equal. Each angle measures 60 degree in a regular triangle. Like that, regular quadrilateral. All sides are equal. So what is the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral? Is equal to 360 degree. So each angle, we want each angle. How many angles are there? 4 angles. That's why we have to divide from the 4. 4 ones are 4 nines are therefore 90 degree. So therefore each angle is equal to 90 degree in a regular quadrilateral. Regular quadrilateral. Understood? So like that, regular pentagon. Regular pentagon. All sides are equal. When the all sides are equal, in the regular pentagon, what is the sum of the angles in a regular pentagon? Very simple. N minus of 2 into 180 whole upon n. It is this formula is what the angles, each angles measures in regular polygon. Regular polygon. This is the formula. N minus 2 into 180 whole upon n. See, I will show now. So in the regular triangle, in a regular triangle, what is the each angle? 60 degree. How it will come? Very simple. So it is what? 3 minus of 2 into 180 whole upon n means it is equal to 3. So 3 minus 2 is nothing but what? 1 into 180 whole upon 3. So 3 ones are 3. 3 6 are 18, 0. Therefore 60 degree. I understood. This is the regular triangle. Like that, regular pentagon. I will show now regular pentagon. Regular quadrilateral is also same. 4 minus 2, 2. As it is 4. 4 have to divide from 180. 180 from divided 4. So then you can get the 90 degree. Like that only you have to calculate it. I will show only pentagon. I will show now. So in that, so each angles. So what is the each angles in a pentagon? In a regular pentagon, not only pentagon, regular pentagon. Regular pentagon means all sides are equal and all each angles measures are equal. See, in that, n means what in the pentagon? Regular pentagon. Each angle. You have to calculate the each angle. So n is equal to what? 5. In a pentagon, how many sides are 5? So 5 minus 2 into 180 whole upon n is equal to 5. This one you have to divide it from. 5 ones are 5. 5 3s are 15. Is it right? 5 3s are 15. Remaining what? 3, 30. 5 6 are 30. Okay, become 36. 5 minus 2 is become 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 into 36. So 36 into 3 is become 180. Therefore, in a pentagon, each angle measures 180 degree. In a regular pentagon only. Irregular pentagon, the all sides are unequal and all angles must be unequal. So it only applicable for what? Regular polygons. Okay, like that, regular hexagon. Each angle measures in a regular hexagon. Like that only you have to calculate. N is equal to 6. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 4 into 180 divided by 4. So like that you have to calculate it. You can get the each angles in a hexagon. Regular hexagon. Okay. So now we have to start the sixth question. So what is the sixth question? Find the angles measures in an example. So first one, x value you have to calculate it. In the sixth A question. See, I will draw the diagram. I will give name for this quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Name for this polygon. So 130 degree. This is 130. This is 120. Is it right? This is x and this is 50. Now we have to calculate the x value. We know that in a quadrilateral, the angle sum property of a quadrilateral how much degree? 360 degree. In that property I am using here. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D. If you are sum of these four angles, it becomes how much degree? 360 degree. Okay. Now angle A how much degree? 130 degree. 130 degree plus angle B how much degree? 120 degree plus angle C how much degree? We know that. We don't know. That's why x plus angle D how much degree? 50 degree. It is equal to 360 degree. Now you should add it 130, 120 and 50. 100, 100, 200, 30 plus 20, 50, 250, 250 plus 50, 300. So x plus 300, it is equal to 360. Now I want x value. So 360. So 300 I have to send that. It becomes minus 300. Therefore x is equal to 360 minus of 300. It becomes 60 degrees. So this is the value of x in the first question. Okay, next students, the second question. See. In that question, as it is in the first question, see, we have to calculate the x value. Very simple, students. First, we have to calculate this. This is 90 degree. Okay, this is the 90 degree. Then we have to calculate the Then we have to calculate the x value. First, this is 90 degree. We can use this linear. So this is already 90 degree. This is one you have to calculate. Then you have to use this angle sum property of a quadrilateral. This is 90 and this is also becoming 80. 90 plus 90, 180. This is the linear pair. The two adjacent angles, the sum of the two adjacent angles is equal to 180 degree. That's right. So 90, 60 and 70 you should add it. Then you have to subtract it from 360. Then you can get the x value. Can you do it in the second question? I will go to the C. C students. C question. In that, this is 30 degree. So these two angles are equal. Okay. So this is 70 degree and this is 60 degree. So we have to calculate the x value. Okay. See students, first we have to find the, I will use here A, B, this is P and this is Q. So this is C, D and this is E. First we have to find the interior angle of the irregular pentagon. This is irregular pentagon. Okay. So first we have to find this angle and this angles. Then you have to calculate the x value. First of all, how can you find this angle? So we have to use the linear pair. Okay. So first I will find this angle B inside of the angle B and interior of the angle A. So first 60 degree plus this is angle B inside of the angle B. It is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So therefore angle B is equal to 180 minus of 60 degree. So therefore angle B is equal to how much degree? 120 degree. So therefore angle B is equal to 120 degree. Interior of angle B. Interior of angle B. Like that. Interior of angle A. So interior angle of A plus 70 degree. It is equal to 180 degree. This is also because of linear pair. It is also linear pair. Okay. So next step, angle A, interior angle A, we don't know. We have to calculate interior angle of the angle A plus 70 degree. You have to send that. So it becomes 180 minus of 70. Therefore angle A is equal to 180 minus of 70. It becomes 110 degree. Therefore angle A is 110 degree. So now we have to calculate the x value. We know that what the angle sum of the interior angle sum of the pentagon is how much degree? 540 degree. Already calculate that. Yes, sum of the interior angle of a polygon, what? Pentagon. How much degree? So 540 degree. Otherwise you have to calculate n minus 2. You know that n minus 2 into 180. N means 5 minus of 2. It is equal to 180. If you don't know, if you know directly 540, if you know it, you can substitute the 540 only. If you don't know, you have to use this formula and find out. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 into 180. So it will know how much degree? 540 degree. So what is the sum of the interior angle of a pentagon? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E. So interior angle of A is 110 degree plus angle B interior angle 120 degree, angle C x plus angle D is 30 degree plus angle E is x, it is equal to 540 degree. 110, 120 and 30 you should add it. 100, 100, 200, 230, 230, 260. So x plus x, 2x, 2x plus 260. Is it right? 100, 100, 200, 230, 230 plus 30, 260 is equal to 540 degree. So now 2x you have to keep in the LHS side. So 540 minus of 260. Therefore 2x it is equal to, so 540 minus of 260. 0 minus of 0, 0. 4 minus of, no, 40 minus of 6 is 8. Therefore 4 minus of 2 is 2, 280. Therefore x is equal to 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 4s are 8, 0. Therefore 140 degree. The value of x is 140 degree. The interior angle of E is also 140 degree. Angle C is also a 140 degree. Okay. So next students, like that only 7th question is there. In the 7th main, we have to find the x, y, z and then the sum of the x plus y plus z. We have to calculate it. See, first one. Okay. Yes, this is z. This is z. This is x. And this is how much? Y. So this is y. Okay, this is 90 and this is 30. Right? Yes. So first of all, we use this linear pair, then we have to find the x value. Use this linear pair, you have to find the z value. But y value, the sum of the opposite interior angle is equal to y because of this is the exterior angle property of a triangle. So in that x plus 90 degree, it is equal to 180 degree because of linear pair. Okay. So x is equal to 180 minus of 90. Therefore x is equal to how much degree? 90 degree. So this is x value. Like that y value, z value what to calculate? Z plus 30 degree. It is equal to 180 degree. This is also linear pair. So z is equal to 180 minus of 30. Therefore z is equal to 180 minus of 30 become 150 degree. So this is z value. Like that y value, if you want the y value, this is one of the triangle, this is the exterior angle, these two are the opposite interior angle of the exterior angle. Therefore y is equal to 90 plus 30. So what is the statement of the exterior angle property? The exterior angle property is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angle. So opposite interior angle is 90 and 30. This is not opposite, this is the adjacent. So the opposite of the interior angles, you should sum it, it become a exterior angle. Therefore y is equal to 120 degree. Now you have to find out the x plus y plus z. It is equal to 180 degree. What is an x? X is 90. What is an y? Y is 120. Because what is an z? 150. Is equal to, sorry, you have to calculate this one only. It is equal to 100, 100, 200, 270, 370, 360. So therefore it is a 360 degree. I understood. So like that B question is that as it is you have to do it. See, first z you have to calculate using the linear pair, y you have to calculate using the linear pair, x you have to calculate using the linear pair. But here w is there, here nothing is there in this interior angle. That's why you have to use the first term. What? exterior and interior of the sum of the interior angle of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. You have to sum of these three angles, 120 plus 80 plus 60. You should sum it. After that sum, you have to subtract it from the 360. Then you can get the interior angle of a W. Now you have to use this linear pair. Then we can get the W value. After that, W plus X plus Y plus Z, you have to add it. We can get the solution. Okay, students? Yes. In the next class, students, we are to discuss this exercise will be completed. In the next classes, we have to discuss the exterior angles of the sum of the exterior angles of the polygons. Okay. Thank you.